Hey guys, I'm here with
Didi Osama, man, the future.
Alright, Didi, walk me through the fit. Tell me how much everything costs.
I forgot how much this shirt cost. Same thing, I just got it in sweat. Same thing, I just got it in sweat. Same thing with these. The hat is like $40. This is like $2,500. Y'all know what I said last time.
What do you have to say to the Amiri haters?
Nobody hate Amiri. If you hate Amiri, that means they ain't give you a deal. You gotta just keep rocking Amiri. Thug it out.
What's your deli order?
Chopped cheese with mayonnaise and ketchup and lettuce with a good Sprite.
How was it working with Luh Tyler?
That's my dog right there. Different flow, all that.
And the video was sick too?
He shot a bit, yeah. That shit gonna go up.
What neighborhood in New York has the best style?
Sugar Hill, Harlem. I'm gonna lie, we got the drip. Sugar Hill, get the money.
What's the best way to pick up a girl?
Pull up on her, like, what's your name? Talk to her, what you doing after this? Pull up with me. She pull up, she jack me.
How do you feel about sliding in DM?
Me personally, I like person about it, like, shop, like, you know who I am, Didi Osama. Like,
But what if you're not Didi Osama?
nah, I don't know what to tell you.
What are you listening to right now?
I ain't even listening to them right now, Mo. I just got these shits on.
All right, thank you.